Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be playing with the clown. So I'm going to get into today's build setup. First perk I have is Enduring. It reduces the duration of my pallet stun by 50%. Then I have Spirit Fury. After I break those two pallets, the next time I'm stunned, the pallet instantly breaks. And then I have Brutal Strength. It destroys drop pallets, breakable walls, and generators 20% faster. And then I also have Fire Up. For each generator that is completed, I gain a 6% stackable buff that grants a speed bonus to picking up, dropping, vaulting, damaging generators, and breaking pallets. So, this should be a nice build, and I'll see you guys in the game. Alright, I'm on the Midwich Elementary School. This map is pretty ass, but I'm excited to try this build though. It should pair up really nicely with the speed bottles as well. So let's see who I can find first. Alright, this one pelleted out of the way. Oh, and that's a hit. Go on and break this pallet. Yeah, she doesn't make that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Somebody was working in here though. I don't know where they were. Someone should be completing a gen soon, so I can get that 6% stackable buff. Didn't I just damage this gen? Oh, I was about to say, am I tripping out? Alright, nice. I know it's a good buff. That the 2 stacks are them getting 2 gens done, and then I'm already at 3. Alright. Oh, where is she going to? Okay. I don't know why she even went up here. I don't think she knows this map, bro. Probably gonna get the save on the other person, yep. So that's good. 3 of them are gonna be injured. Oh, the other one's here too. Which is the... Really? Okay, I was about to say. Alright. This girl wants me to chase her, but if she drops a pallet on me, that's gonna be on you. Go ahead and drop it. Yeah, exactly. I'm not afraid to get stunned by no fucking pallet, bro. Now when I got this build on, she had no idea. Alright, let's go ahead and kick this door. She had absolutely no idea that Jen is still regressing. That's her down. Bro. Oh my god, bro. Garage sink. Bro, I honestly feel bad for survivors that have teammates like this, bro. Like, you let your mans get slimed out and then you're teabagging, bro? Each other, so I can obviously see where she's gonna go. Oh shit. I think she escapes. Oh, that's good. At least she survived, bro. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next game. Alright, we are on our second game on the Macmillan Estates. First game went pretty well. I'm gonna see how this game goes. See what we can find first. Alright, somebody's using no mither. The pink bottle in this window. And that should be a hit. Yep. Does he make? Yeah, he makes that. That's good. That's Jack Pallet out of the way. Alright, and that is him down. Now you guys actually see how overpowered this build is, bro. Bro, I love using Spirit Fury. It's so, like, it's literally free. It's free, bro. It's free down every time. Yeah, someone is over here. Oh, it's the dude that's using no mither. Gonna go ahead and use a pink bottle over here. And that is him down. Nice, we got a free pallet out of the way, and we're gonna get him down. We're on the hook. We still need one more pallet for our Spirit Fury to be fully charged again. Alright, and he got the save. Alright, that's 2 stacks of fire up. Okay. Does he have a... Where did he go? Okay. Yeah, that is a hit on her, and I can put him in the basement too. It's really good. So someone is gonna go for that save. I'm gonna just go back over there. Yep, I hear him. Yo. Oh my god, bro. Alright, let's go to refill our bottle. Wait, did he mess up? I think someone's on that gen over there, so 2 of them are not working on gens. Oh, and this girl has a map. She's injured. There's a down on her. Good, and she was almost done completing that gen. I can go ahead and give that a kick. Looking good so far, but she has a boon settle. Let's go ahead and snuff that out. Alrighty, that gen is regressing. Are they working on check generator right now? Yeah, one is. And I do get this hit. Nice. Very nice. There's another down. Now we have 3 stacks of fire up. Wait, which generator was that? Okay, that was the generator that the Sable was on. Alright. Well, that's my Spirit Fury charged. And that is him down. That is very good. So this guy should be out of the game. But we need to get to that. We need to get to that other jet fast. But we do have to kick this one first. Yep, they're almost done. Fuck. Honestly, drop the pallet. Yeah, she's not gonna be fast enough. That Sable might complete the other gen. No, that's gonna be bad. Shit. Yeah, she did. Alright, well, that's 5 stacks of fire up. Where is she? Still a hit on her. Damn, she had dead hard. But that is a trade though. Yep, and she wasted dead hard. I knew it. Hopefully one of them doesn't have unbreakable. But if we do, I'm just gonna reload my bottles quickly. I'm gonna place a yellow bottle down just so I can gain speed. And then if she gets up. Okay. That'll be it, and I can just kill her. Alright, that was a very good game, bro. Yeah, I almost thought I lost that for a second, but we were able to clutch. It's a good thing that girl didn't have anywhere to go, bro. Very good win. Alrighty, that is gonna be the end of the video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That second game was so crazy, but we were still able to pull off a win. And yeah, let me know what killer builds you guys want us to try for the future. And as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you drop a like and subscribe if you did enjoy our content and our other content. And as always, see you guys. Peace.